DX injectors and 344.
Sounds nice, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's like the sound is like, oh, you can pause it. I didn't even have M mode on. Hold on. Gotta get this for a second. Well, I didn't have M mode on the whole time. The downshifts weren't even as crispy.
Good to see some flames. Use your gun now. Oh, my ears are done.
Yeah.
Holy.
I felt my ears like, yeah.
50 wheel, 450 torque. Get a picture of the graph after.
450 wheel, 450 torque.
I just hold up. That's temporary. I'm gonna find all you have extra.
Sounds nasty.
Loading beautifully. Like, oh.
235?
It should have came like this, right?
Facts.
Should have came like this. Oh yeah.
I'm updated, yo.
Bro, you missed it, dog. We're waiting out there, and Marshall's like, yo, what the fuck is that? And they're like, no, it's two fucking dogs, yo.
Roddy and some other big one. One's in here right now, bro. They're sprinting, bro.
Yo,
No.
I fucking cut. I saw brown, I cut. I was like, nah, yo.
You recording it?
Nah, yo.
I saw the one and then.
bumper to bumper traffic. Why these guys come this way, I have no idea. Crazy.